So hi everyone, this is Sohan. So this is our second video of our latest series, and our today's website is cognitiveclass.ai. Okay, so open Google Chrome and search for Cognitive Class AI. So here will be the first link, click on it. So this is the website. So for those who don't know about IBM is mainly stands for International Business Machines. IBM is one of the most reputed company in the world in the field of computer softwares and hardwares. Okay, so this website and these courses of this website are mainly designed and developed by the member of the IBM Developer Skill Networks. Here you can find many courses. So at first you need to sign up here. If you are not signed, just sign up here, and as I am signed up, so I am going to sign in this website. So at first you need to enter your mail ID, and then password. Then sign in. So here you can see the 4 tabs are here: learning paths, courses, badges, and business. Business is not necessary for you. So at first, learning paths. Okay, so learning paths is mainly what is your learning path if you are choose any courses from here. Here some courses are blockchain developers. There are some featured courses are okay. Reactive architecture advantage, containers, microservice. Containers mean mainly Docker, Kubernetes, etc. Applied data science with Python. If you are really interested in Python and data science, you can opt this course. And yes, there are some courses are mainly paid, and there are many courses are free also. To take free courses, click on this tab courses, and you can find many free courses are here. Building cloud native and multi-cloud application, introduction to cloud, Python for data science 101 course. This is a cognitive course, basic level Python for data science course. I am also doing this course recently. Blockchain essential, build an IoT blockchain network for supply chain. Many courses are here. Machine learning with Python. Okay, this is an good courses also. Build your own chatbot. If you want to make your own chatbot, you can do this course also. And big data, Hadoop, introduction to data science, art 101. Art, if you want to learn art programming, you can do this course also. Okay, and then badges and certification. Okay, here are some badges. If you do these courses, here are some paid and free also. There are some paid and free badges are here. There are many badges. Data analysis with Python. In the paid courses, you need to pay some money for the certification and courses, but you can do these courses for free of cost. For certification, you need some money for the paid courses, but in the free courses, you can do the whole course, and you will get a certificate and badge after the completion of your course, free of cost. Okay, and now here to see your profile, here I am opening my profile, and this is Python for data science. I am learning this course mainly. View course. If you do click on view course, you can see the mainly course content. What is this course about? Welcome to Python for 101 data science. Mainly it will help you to learn the Python basics. This course is mainly for the basics of your Python, and Python for data science, Python programming fundamentals, working data in Python. You can learn some libraries files that are NumPy, arrays, pandas. You also learn from these courses. Okay, and after all the you complete all the parts, you need to give a final exam, and after clearing the final exam, you will get a certificate and badge. Okay, so the certificate will be after completing the certificate courses, you will get the certificate. So here is no You can check it out from thumbnail. So yes, that's for it today. And if you like this video, please do share, subscribe to my channel, and for more certification, stay with us and keep supporting us. Thank you guys.